Welcome to my channel. Today we are learning how to plant dahlia tubers that will reward us with stunning blooms all summer long. These odd-looking shaped things are underground stems that store all the energy the plant needs to grow. Which end is up? That's a good question. The eyes or sprouts are on the top side and the bottom will be smoother and more pointed. That's our cat Lilly. She likes to supervise and has gardened with us for years. Dig your hole 4 to 6 inches deep. Allow 1 to 2 feet between the plants. Gently place the tuber in the hole with the eye or sprout facing upwards. Cover the tubers with soil, water lightly, as they're heavy feeders and will benefit from regular fertilization. Dahlias are sun-loving plants, so choose a spot that gets 6 to 8 hours of direct sun daily. The dahlia leaves are now emerging from the soil approximately 10 days after planting. They are a fantastic cut flower, adding vibrant color to your garden and attracting pollinators. The process is simple with spectacular results. So get your tubers into the garden and get ready for a summer filled with dahlia blooms. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so we can both grow together. Until next time, happy gardening.